So man, we have another Air Jordan 4 releasing this year, 2023. And surprisingly, these bad boys gonna sell out just as fast as any other Air Jordan 4, which is crazy to me, man. What's going on YouTube, man? Thanks for tapping into today's video, man. It's always greatly appreciate when you guys pull up to the videos. Come chop with your boy, The Vintage. You guys know I love seeing you guys comments. I love interacting with you guys. See what you guys think about certain sneakers, certain topics and stuff like that. In today's video, I can't wait to see you guys honest thoughts and opinions over this Air Jordan 4, man. But if you guys are new to the channel, right now what I need you to do, man, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Hit the notification bell for your boys so you don't miss out on any content that we do drop. I know we just talked about the sneakers day that's happening this upcoming weekend, and there's more information coming in every single day. And I'm gonna try to get a better defined video on what's dropping, what's not dropping solidly, you know what I'm saying, the day or two before the actual sneakers day does happen, man. So like I said, sub up, hit the notification bell, leave a huge like if you guys have been enjoying the content lately, and we're gonna jump right into today's video, man. Let's get right into it. All right, man, so here we have them, bro, the Air Jordan 4s that you guys probably already seen, man. We already showed these on the channel. Shout out to the homie, he got kicks, man. But we have today is a pair of 4s that I honestly wasn't feeling that much, and we're gonna open these up my size and see how actually I am feeling them. I had them for a couple days now. There's been a lot of stuff going on, a lot of information coming down from the sneaker news, you feel me? So we had to talk about that first. But nonetheless, we finally got these here today, man. So Air Jordan 4 Retro, white, fire red, and black. You guys see it, bruh. Size 9.5. I've been rocking the size 9.5 in all my sneakers lately. Let's go ahead and flip the top open real quick. And yes, sir. Let's get right into them, man. In 3, 2, 1, and bam, bruh. Here we have them again, man. The Air Jordan 4 Red Cements. So let's go ahead and pull both of these bad boys out the box. And like I said in the first time we showed these, shout out to the homie, we've seen some good leather quality, bro. And it seems like it's been very consistent for all pairs, bro. The 9.5 looks as buttery as the size 12 that we showed before. And it's just me, bro. I'm honestly not a huge fan of the whole, you know what I'm saying, red cement vibes, bro. Like I said in the earlier video, if you got the fire reds, man, you honestly do not need these. But for the people that do not have the fire red 4s, the red cements is definitely, you know what I'm saying, the next step up. You know, we talked about the Palominos and the mochas. Of course, a lot of people gonna say the mochas. So me, I went with the Palominos over the mochas because I guess you could say I'm a little salty. I don't have the Air Jordan mochas, man. So you could definitely be in that situation. It's not a terrible sneaker, bro. I'm be real, it's not a terrible sneaker. I'm just gonna be real with y'all, man. The same opinion I had on the size 12, I had the same opinion on the size 9.5. They not all that in my opinion, bro. And I think that's all due to the fact that we got, like I said, the fire red 4s. Hey man, y'all don't mind my Crocs real quick, bro. Don't mind the Crocs. That's what I walk around the crib in. You feel me? Let's go ahead and grab these Air Jordan 4 fire red things. Such a beautiful sneaker, and I remember picking these up like it was yesterday, bro. And this is another pair that I did double up on, but I ended up selling my double up pair. Regret it. But the thing about, you know what I'm saying, the fire reds and the red cement, you guys can see the significant difference in the leather quality, bro. The leather quality on the red cements is super buttery, super soft. And I don't know why they, you know what I'm saying, went down in quality on the Air Jordan 4 Fire Reds, bro. This is an OG, you know what I'm saying, you got the Nike Air on the back, you know what I'm saying. You look at the red cement, you just got a regular little jump man, bro. I ain't gonna say little jump man like it ain't all that, because we have got some dope Air Jordan 4s with the jump man on the back. But you got a sneaker that looks, you know what I'm saying, super similar to an OG. And I just don't think, me personally, I don't need it. But like I said, I wish they would have done was put that nice soft leather on the Air Jordan 4 Fire Reds, bro. So I want you guys, let me know down below in the comment section, man, which one you rocking out with more. It's probably a no-brainer for most. Like I said, it's probably some people that don't have the Fire Reds that will take the red cements, man. So let me know. You got the Air Jordan 4 Fire Reds, Nike on the back. Such a beautiful sneaker. Or you taking the red cement Air Jordan 4s, bruh. The opinion is up to y'all. Keep y'all honest thoughts and opinions down below. I love reading you guys comments. But if it's going for me, bruh, it's a no-brainer. We taking the Air Jordan 4 Fire Reds, man. Like, I can't even think of any time of the day, time of the year where I would go to my drop front and pick up the red cements over the Air Jordan 4 Fire Reds. It just would not happen ever, not in a million days, bruh. These things is my go-to as far as, if I want to rest, you know what I'm saying, Air Jordan 4, definitely going with the Fire Reds. But like I said, man, you never know. These will be releasing this upcoming Saturday on Sneakers Day, bruh. Sneakers Day 2023, September the 9th. These things will be dropping. I think these were actually scheduled to drop back in August, if I'm not mistaken, and pushed the release date back. We had a shock drop over these bad boys. And a lot of people, you know what I'm saying, was actually digging them. But I want you guys to let me know down in the comment section, man. What do you rate these 1 through 10? You feeling them? Are they fire? Are they trash? What are y'all honest thoughts, man? But like I said, I'm gonna keep that same energy. Not a huge fan of them. Don't really need them. But you guys know, man, we gotta drop that sneaker content, those early looks for you guys. I know y'all really enjoy it. You know what I'm saying? Getting those early looks, seeing how you will like the sneaker and stuff like that. But like I said, one thing I cannot take away from these bad boys is the leather quality. The quality in general is definitely top notch, bro. So we still are waiting to see how they're gonna do this Sneakers Day. We know these will be dropping, of course, 10 o'clock Eastern Standard Time on Saturday. But as far as the other drops that we will be getting on Sneakers Day, bro, I honestly don't know. What's all up in the air, man. The stuff that I have seen in the past is not so good. I don't see no lost and founds. I don't see no SB4s. I don't see no Travis Scotts. I don't see anything of that nature, bro. So we shall see how it goes. Hopefully Nike surprises, shock the hell out of everybody, and give us some crazy heat. And hopefully we can get some dubs, bro. Like, your boy really wants another pair of lost and founds. I really want a pair of Travis Scott lows. It's a lot of things that I want. It's always a lot of wants, bro. We always want something, but we don't always get what we want, which you gotta accept that sometimes. So yeah, man, go ahead and drop y'all final thoughts and opinions over the Air Jordan 4 Red Cements. Like I said, dropping this upcoming Saturday. I think the retail tag is like $210, bro. Let me go ahead and check real quick on the Nike Sneakers app. I think the retail tag is $210 on these guys right here. Only thing that's crazy about this is the resale value is pretty stagnant, sitting around $260, $250, which is kind of high. But like I said, I know he's gonna sell out. The resale is up there. It's an Air Jordan 4. People love Jordan 4s. So like I said, surprisingly, even though it's not a crazy colorway in my opinion, these joints definitely are gonna sell out, man. So the retail tag, yes, for the Red Cements is 210 bones, bro. $210 that I focused in real quick. Releasing this upcoming Saturday. Like I said, the resale is pretty high. So all them resellers gonna be out there trying to snag a pair of these Air Jordan 4 Red Cements, man. I appreciate all the support, man. Thank you guys for tapping in. I will be doing a full review on feet here in the next couple days for you guys, showing you how they look, showing y'all what pants to rock with them, showing y'all what kind of tees to rock and all that good stuff. You already know Outright got y'all covered. I always link them down below so you can go check out what they have to offer. A lot of dope apparel that goes perfectly with some of the J's you have in your collection, man. Subscribe to the channel if you're new. Hit the notification bell for your boys so you don't miss out on any content that we drop. And please give a huge like before you slide out of today's video, man. Again, thanks so much for tapping in. Can't wait to read you guys' comments. With all this being said, I'm gonna catch you guys in the next video, man. Peace.